Hey Ben, it's Matt Penchuk. We spoke on Friday afternoon while you were driving. I'm glad you avoided whatever that accident was. You saw the guy go off the side of the road. Anyway, thanks for the time. Again, my name is Matt. I'm with Search Strategy. We've been in business since 2009. The point of this video really is to show you some actionable tips that you can implement yourself to come up and search against your competitors. I'm going to show you a couple things there, but the three things I want to talk to you about is content, backlinks, and citations, those three things. And then I'll show you the opportunity that is there for you in gaining more visibility online, and what taking these kinds of steps will help your business, how they'll help your business. So at any rate, excuse me, first thing I would like to talk about here is your homepage. The first thing that I see here is this title tag. The first thing that it's showing here, this is the first thing that Google sees when they come to your website. What they're seeing is your URL. It would probably be better something like Home Renovation Fairfield, California. Something really specific so Google knows from the get-go what your site is about. Excuse me. And then the next thing would be content. You need to have about 1,500 to 2,000 words depending on your competition and how many keywords you want to come up for. And so if you're not clear on what a keyword is, it's really anything that someone might type into Google when they're looking for a particular product or service. And so in your area, somebody might be looking for home renovation, bathroom remodel, kitchen remodel, whatever the keyword would be specific to your location. Could be maybe into Vacaville as well. So the more content you have, the more room there is to put these keywords in there. So you just want to make sure that you're thinking about the keywords that people are looking for when they're coming to your site. All right, so that's that. Let me look at your competitors here. I've got these guys, Don Sheppard Construction. They don't have much content on here. This is your competition. There's not a whole lot there. They do have a form. I like that. Then they have a button here. I don't know that you have that. So you want to make sure you're converting anybody. You do have the phone number there, but I love a form that somebody could fill out. I know there's the contact page, but that's just one extra step. And then let's see here, Dutton Kitchen and Bath, Vacaville. There's a little bit better. They got a little more content on there. But there is this call to action button, and I think that would be something that you might want to consider as well. So that's the content. The second thing I wanted to mention was backlinks. And so a backlink is really anywhere you find one website linking to another via a clickable hyperlink text. And so these links act like an endorsement of sorts for your website from other websites, and Google sees that to build as sort of a trust building exercise, and they see your business as being vouched for by others. That's a positive. It's a bit of a popularity contest where the person or the website with the most backlinks wins, and with the most of them pointing back to their website. It is important to note though that they're not all created equal. They should be relevant to your locale and also your industry. So you don't really want the Pizza Hut from Boise linking back to your site. It's not going to do you any good. It's got to be something in the Fairfield area and somewhat related to your industry. So that's that. You have 66 backlinks. That's 29 different websites that are linking to your site, and it's leading to, that's kind of like the juice behind your website, helps buoy it. You're getting 13 organic searches a month. It's been pretty steady. At some point, you got to 21. Your authority score is 6 out of 100. What that means is that Google trusts your website, and it thinks it's relevant based up until about 6. So a decent one would be 15 to 20. We want to get that up there. And so the more keywords that you're going after, and the more content you have around it, the more backlinks, the better your authority score is going to be. All right, so I'm going to compare your domains. So those guys, Don Sheppard, they have an authority score of 14. Dutton Kitchen and Bath, they have an authority score of 15. Your site's actually ranking at this very moment better, and it looks like for just a couple of keywords, but I think those are the branded keywords, which means it's just the name of your site, that Reid Construction. So you're coming up for that. So you're getting some traffic from that. When we go back to the domains, your competitors, this guy, what was his name? Don Sheppard, he's got 1,300 backlinks from 118 different websites. Dutton Kitchen and Bath has 260 backlinks from 77 domains. So strangely, you're up ahead of them in terms of the amount of organic traffic, but that's a relatively new phenomenon. I think they just had some bad months, but this, like, at some point they're getting 33 visits a month. The fact of the matter is you're all kind of missing the boat. There's a lot of opportunities out there for things to come up for in search. You can see that cabinets Vacaville. If that's something you do, 260 searches a month. So what does that mean? Let's say you get 100 of those searches by being in the top position. 100 extra visits to your site means about 10% of that will become a lead. So 10 of those visits will become a lead. 5 of those will close. That's sort of standard in the industry. So you get 5 new clients by just having 100 more visits per month to your website. That's pretty impactful. I know that there is a good margin in construction, in cabinets. That's something you want to kind of keep your mind on there. And so in addition to that, and the backlinks and the content to help get you more visibility, to get more visits to your website, another way that you can get visits to your website is through the Google Maps pack. And so what this is where you have your name, your address, and your phone number. This is great, but it has to be, the way you get into this top map pack area is that you have your name, address, and phone number the same in all these different directories like Angie's List, Yelp, where else? Home Advisor, House, all these kinds of things. Yellow Pages, Better Business Bureau. The more places that you're in like that, the more likely you are to get put up into this map pack here. So there are tools out there like WhiteSpark that'll help you with that process to create more citations. That is that name, address, and phone number in different directories like that. So again, the more visits you get to the website, the more likely you're going to have somebody becoming a lead, more likely to come a conversion for you where you turn into a sale. This is what I do for my business. This is my living. But I wanted to give you this good information. Use it as you will. If something you can do on your own, great. If you want some help with it, or you want to talk about more how you could scale this and have it be more impactful to your business, please feel free to reach out. I'll have a button at the end you can click, or you can reply to my email. But most of all, I just want, Ben, for you to have some increased success online, and that's free of charge. So I hope this was helpful. Again, thanks so much for your time. Again, it's Matt, and we'll talk soon. Take care.